HP M601N Wireless MonoChrome Printer. The HP M601N Wireless MonoChrome Printer is an exceptional choice for those searching for the best wireless printer under $2,000 in 2024. Its sleek design, featuring light and dark gray tones, adds a touch of modernity to any workspace. With an impressive maximum print speed of 45 ppm for color and monochrome, this printer delivers rapid, high-quality prints on various types of paper. The M601N seamlessly operates with both Windows and Mac systems, offering a range of user-friendly features that enhance workflow management directly from the printer. It provides convenient printing from a flash drive, streamlining the printing process. With dimensions of 16.85 by 16.34 by 15.67 inches and a weight of 23,700 grams, this printer combines compactness with robustness, making it an ideal addition to any office. The major advantage of this printer is its remarkable input sheet capacity of 3,600, which allows for the seamless handling of extensive print volumes without the need for frequent maintenance. With a power rating of 790 watts, it not only achieves exceptional performance but also maintains a perfect balance between performance and energy efficiency. If you're interested in this wireless color printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number